I have got some really good news. Before I get today's video started, I have to announce that the rigged beer is finally here. And with it being finally here, I want to celebrate the launch of something really big. So with that being said, on the 19th of January, coming up in a few days, from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m., I will be hosting a meetup at the exact brewery in which the rigged beer is being brewed at. I'll leave all the details linked in the description below. It'll be at the Lake Zurich Brewing Company. You don't have to be 21 to come, but if you're 21, of course, you can try the beer. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a very chill, laid-back event. So with that being said, I hope to see you guys at the meetup. I really appreciate you guys giving me a brief moment of your time before today's video starts. By the way, I'm currently in Canada filming this after the whole Mexico trip. You guys will have to stay tuned for those videos too. Lots of content coming down the pipeline. But just remember, January 19th, 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. big meetup. Be there or be a bluegill. All right, catch you guys later. Enjoy today's video. Welcome back to yet another pristine morning in Mexico. Take a look at that view. How could you just not wake up every single morning and have the vibe of catching a giant fish of a lifetime? We are back. It's day number 2. More Guggen Squad madness going on. So again, you know how the whole filming is going to be. It's very spotty, but I'm going to try my best to piece together a story for you guys while also filming with Sam Sobiek and Eduardo on the boat. We're filming a little challenge today. It's gonna be super intense. Let's just say we're going after the biggest and the baddest right now, and that is it. One bite, not to sound cliche, but one bite is all we need. Along with that too, I failed to mention that my suitcase finally came in. I don't know if I really went too in depth as to what happened, but I've been here for like 2 days now without my suitcase. But as you can see, I've got all of my reels here, including my big old Japanese reels, which are going to hopefully put to the goods of the use. So without further ado, let's go crank them. You ready? Let's get all GoPro'd up and smoke them. Yeah, it's a good one. Ready? Boat flip. First boat flip of the day for me. Not as big as Sobi's, but it's a good start. Probably about a 2-pounder. Hopefully we throw back only a few more of those and then start calling that giant on the fall. Really close, but it's like 20 feet right here. So it's like, this is deep shore. Oh my God, what the f? Did you see that? Did you see that? Holy f. Yeah, I was hung up and I went to go touch the dial to put it on 30 and the rod's like this and it goes, like my fucking rod, my hand got pulled. Jesus. That was a good fish. Oh my goodness, dude. It's the second bite I've had out of here. There we go. Fish on. Good one.
Big one.
Big one. I think it's big. It feels big. Yeah, it's big. On the spinner bug. On the beetle spin. Just crunched it, dude. Too loose. That's way too loose. Oh, yep. Let's go. Let's go. I don't know if it's gonna be as big as yours though. This is still a nice one. Nommed it. Freaking nommed the spinnerbait. Told myself I didn't want to throw this thing, but so we caught one in the morning on it, so I thought, why not? Just choked it, dude. I think we need to put the jig down. Oh, like, dude, look how he ate that, bro. Yet another Commodore beast going back in the water. I think she was healthy and ready to go. Spinnerbait, another fish on the spinnerbait, located on the point. Boom.
We needed that bite.
Yeah.
Just the freaking.
Yes. I gotta pee. There we go. Good one. Nice one.
I think it's decent. Just pulled off. That was a good one. No, it was a fish. See? Yep. That's a big fish. Gone.
Hell yeah. What up, gang? Round 2. You guys missed a hell of a big bass tournament. Got to keep a little sneaky on the DL. But as you can see, the boat has changed. We got Rob and this guy in the rig. Still without Eduardo though. What a G. All right, now we film and now we fish.
Oh, dude.
How big do you think that is?
I don't know. It's purple-eyed. Looks like a giant tilapia.
That thing's been dead for a minute. It's gonna stink. I was thinking about picking it up, but I'm not sure if that's a good idea.
We're talking, he doesn't have any eyes anymore. I mean, that thing's been dead and gone for, wow.
That is what happens when your eyes are bigger than your stomach. You can see that tail sticking out of that fish's mouth. That is quite unfortunate. Oh, that's probably about
It's a big fish.
that's actually a pretty good fish. I'd be lying if I said I hadn't seen that before. It's the second time I've seen that on this particular lake. I think tilapia, might stand corrected here, but I think tilapia is the main forage in this lake, Lake Comadero. I think there used to be shad a long time ago, but a lot of these fish in here eat tilapia. And tilapia are kind of a spiny fish, so you'll see oftentimes fish that are just floating or struggling to swallow a big tilapia. Even a big fish like that, like maybe a close to 8-pounder, can struggle to totally engulf. So it's just weird. You don't see that often. That's something you only see in places like this that have big bait. Just a quick little update for you guys. It's full on John B filming mode. I think Rob brought up a pretty good point. We haven't fished together in a good decade or something like that. And we're just gonna cruise in the mountains, look for that big fish. It's kind of a low and slow day. I will admit the bite has been extremely slow, but it's Comadero. You're in Mexico. A big bite can happen around any point or any sort of cut. So we're just gonna keep grinding, give it our all, right? Gotta fish, gotta fish. If you're not fishing, you're not catching. Tip for the day.
Biting. That was sick. I'm only cool when little ones do that. If the giant does that, I'll cry.
Oh, biggin? Biggin?
It's okay, one.
It's not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad at all.
We got it.
There's one.
One fish. I would say this is a nice start to the day, but it's about 3 p.m. right now. Unfortunately, it's that kind of grind, but it's a good grind. I'd rather be grinding for 10-pound bass opposed to 5-pound bass. That's a nice little rat. Start off the afternoon. Good fish. Sorry, I don't mean to call it a rat. What I meant to say, it's a nice fish to start off that afternoon. I'm just a little spoiled because last time I was here, I caught a 9-pounder. So, and this guy here caught like what? Did you get 3 10s? Two 10-pounders. Wow. Okay, back she goes. Spinner bug got it done. Nice, dude. No. We're good. Hate that. Like, you get it. Nice one.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Oh my god.
Came right off the tree.
I'm on a tree too.
Good one. Giant.
Come on.
Wow.
Ripping.
Yeah.
Pulling.
It's a fun fish. Yeehaw! Nothing like an outer hook set. Hey guys, got another one with a spinnerbait. It's kind of strange, like he's hooked on the outside. Probably swiped at it, or I just foul hooked him in the face. Pulled right off of a tree, and she was there to save the day. Nothing beats getting snagged than getting snagged and having a bite soon after. Good one. We are on the last light in Comadero. Day number 2 for me, 3 for the rest of the group. It's looking a little like this. As we are closing the day, I am dedicating my final moments to this spinnerbait right here. It's actually a completely different scenario compared to yesterday. Yesterday I was doing a lot of trench hog fishing off the bottom, looking for shallowish brush, which was successful, but today the bites changed. More wind, the fish have, I don't know if they've moved up or pushed. I don't even know, dude. I have no idea what these fish are doing. But what I do know is the spinnerbait has been way more productive this season. Today, opposed to yesterday. I'm really like blistered right now. It's grilling out here. Just drains you. The heat just sucks life out of you. Anyway, Rob caught a very nice one. Beautiful fish. I'd love to talk to you guys about what it is, but I'm afraid I just can't even fathom what he caught it on. It's just ridiculous. You have to watch this video once it goes up. It's just really stupid. End of the day with some spinnerbug action. some wood, hoping for that last minute torque. It may not happen, but at the very least, we've got one more day tomorrow, which I'm very much looking forward to. I'll let you guys know that the sun is setting, and it's just freaking beautiful. Look at that sun. That is just a gorgeous sun. It is the final countdown. One day left for me to level up on my biggest bass ever. It's been not the best fishing. We're really confused as to why. Fishing in general can be kind of like a weird sport, mainly because you're relying on a living creature to either make your day or break your day. It's just weird to think about, but pretty much all trip, everyone has struggled to like figure out a consistent pattern. Yes, we've been catching 7s. Yes, we've been catching a few 8s. But the thing is like those fish come on like a point and then there's like nothing else there. And then we'll go to another point, and after that, we're not really able to carbon copy that same pattern. It's kind of strange, but I will say that the bite has progressively gotten better for me every single day, and I'm feeling really optimistic. The cool thing is tomorrow I get a chance to like take you guys along with and just film a John B video. I know it's been super hectic and probably a little bit confusing just following the pace and the order. Like I've started off the morning with like 2 guys and then I've been in a different boat, so I know that's kind of confusing, but at the very least I still want to try to knock out some content and share some videos with you guys. What's up? Wait, hold on. There's the man right there. It's Rob, just with no clothes on. This morning I was thinking, what makes bass fishing like so addicting? And I think it's like the ritual. Like, you know, these aren't the biggest fish I've ever caught in my entire life, but it's just like the wake up, the rigging, everything you have to do to get that big fish of a lifetime can be, what's up? What are you doing? You're just trying to get your limelight for a second? That's two photo bombs, robbing you both. What was I saying? Oh, the ritual. Yeah, the reason why I like bass fishing so much, other than a lot of other types of fishing, is it's like, you know, the start to finish process. It's rigging, it's making sure the hooks are sharp, your braid's solid, your mono's not frayed, and everything like checks out. It's a very tedious style of fishing. I don't think there's anything like bass fishing out there. I mean, I know you guys will probably disagree, and I've done a lot of different types of fishing that require your equipment to be way more refined and honed in than bass, but yeah, I think it's just chasing after a fish that a lot of other people are chasing after that makes it so competitive. I guess that's the word for it. It's just like competitive. Everyone's out here to get the biggest fish, and thus far it's not been going great. But like I said, one more day to make it happen, and I'm excited to just kind of relax, try my best, focus on that giant, and film a entire whole video without it being offbeat and confusing. But that's it, I'm signing out. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos, the Mexico videos. Be sure to check out the Googan Squad videos too, which will probably go up after this. But that's it, peace out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, folks, keep fishing, never stop.